Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Harley Rogers and in today's video I have created this sunset eye look with a nude lip. I'm really happy with how it turned out. You'll see in the video that like the lip situation was a bit of an issue, but we got through it, kind of. I mean, the lip colour it's okay, it's fine. But I wanted to try new products out today, and I did. I tried a few new products out today. I tried a new foundation, a new bronzer, even new eyelash glue. Life is crazy. But without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. So as you can see, I've already done one eye, just to give you an idea. As I go along, you can watch and see how this eye progresses into this eye. So we're going to start off with the Morphe 39A palette, and taking these two brown shades right here, we're going to mix them together and pack that onto the crease. Just packing this onto the lid in a circular shape. Please excuse the fact that I still have eyelash glue there. I've just realised that it's there. It's drying. It's drying. Okay, so now that's all packed on, we're going to take the Morphe 35B palette, and with this orange shade right here, we are going to apply this with a fluffy brush on top of the brown eyeshadow to create a transition shade. This will take a while, this will take a lot of blending. You just got to keep at it and eventually you'll see the result that you want. I'm just going to take the yellow shade from that same Morphe 35B palette, and with a really small detailed brush we're going to apply the yellow onto it and then blend this into the orange shade. I spend a lot of time off camera blending the shades together. It takes a lot of time, so if you're doing this look or any look, give yourself lots of time because the blending takes a while, especially if you want to make it look perfect. And then just going back in with that orange and just applying that again on top of the brown, just so we don't lose the colours, and then blending again with the yellow so the orange blends into the yellow. It is a long process, so you need to take your time and give yourself time. So now that's all blended out, we can cut the crease. So I'm just taking a flat shader brush and I'm going to apply some concealer onto it. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Can't speak today, can I? And then, like I said, we're just going to cut the crease. So now that the crease is cut, I'm going to take those two brown shades again, mix them together, and then apply this on the outer corner and inner corner of my eye. We're going to be creating a halo eye today. I've done a few halo eye looks on my channel recently, so I should probably stop and do something else, but I just love the way that they turn out. I think it's so beautiful. Then taking this slightly red goldish shade, I'm going to take that on a flat shader brush and then just apply that to the centre of my lid. So now that the eyeshadow is done, I'm just going to apply some eyeliner onto my lid and then some falsies, and I'll be right back. So for foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 105 Natural Ivory. This one's probably a bit too light for me. It looks a lot darker in the shop. Yeah, it's way too light for me. But it's fine, I've got a dark powder. It's a runny consistency as well, so we'll just take my beauty blender. Yeah, that is so pale. It's fine, we can bronze up the face and sort it out. I bought this foundation in the hope that it'll be good for my oily skin, because I googled affordable foundations for oily skin and this came up, so I'm going to wear it today and just see how it rides out, see if it you know, if my oily skin comes through, because that's what tends to happen, which is very, very annoying. So the coverage of this foundation is really, really good. It's just a shame that it's too pale for me. I mean, it looks more pale on the camera. It actually is kind of my skin tone, but I prefer to get a darker one. But like I said, I've got a darker powder and I've got, you know, I can bronze up my face, so it doesn't really matter, to be honest, at the end of the day. So next I'm going to conceal. I'm taking my my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair. And this is even lighter, but at least it's not this, you know, as pale as this. Just gonna run this under my under eyes, my chin, nose and forehead, the same visual places that you conceal. Next for powder, I'm going in with the Collection Pressed Powder in the shade Candlelight, and with a fluffy brush I'm just going to apply this all over my face. So yeah, this one is darker, so it's kind of evening it all out now, which is good, it's what we want. Okay, so we're going to go back to the under eyes, and what we're going to do is we're going to basically take the brown shade, the orange shade and the yellow shade, and I'm just going to pack each on top of each other, so it will look exactly how it looks on the top lid. There's a lot of eyeshadow under my eye. Great. See, that one looks better. Great, I fucked it up. Whoa! So we've applied the brown, so then let's apply the orange. And then just taking that yellow shade as well and adding the tiniest bit because we don't want to bring it down too far. I'm then just going to apply some mascara onto my my bottom lashes with the Rimmel Lash Accelerator. And for a little pop of colour in the inner corner, I'm taking the LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder in the shade 90. And I'm just going to pack this onto the inner corner of my eye. So now we can move on to the face. I'm using my MAC Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette, and with these three shades mixed together, I'm just going to contour my cheekbones, forehead, jawline and bridge of the nose. Oh, I'm getting so hungry, I need to eat after this. But I don't know what to eat. Something healthy, probably. I need to eat healthy. Because I ballooned over Christmas. Like, seriously, if anyone else did, then like if you agree. That sounds so cringy saying that, but you know. Like if you agree that you ballooned over Christmas. The next thing I'm using is very exciting. I bought it yesterday. And I've tried it out already and it's beautiful. So I'm very excited to use that next. So next for bronzer, I'm taking the Maybelline New York City Bronzer in this shade. Is it the shade? Deep Cool. And look at the colour of it. It's like the perfect bronzing shade. So with a big brush, I'm just going to apply some onto the brush and then... Oh, I mean, look at that. That is just gorgeous. Then we're just going to add some onto the forehead as well because it's that good. This is my new favourite thing at the moment. Under the jawline as well, or onto the jawline, I should say. I also bought a new eyelash glue as well because I have no eyelash glue left, so I went to Primark and they were selling the Duo eyelash glue. So I'm testing that out today as well, testing out a few things actually. So now that I'm looking beautifully bronzed up, I'm going to go in with highlights, and I'm using, once again, which I use for the inner corner, it's the LA Girl Strobing Light Strobing Powder in the shade 90. And like you do, you're just going to highlight the cheekbones and the bridge of the nose and your cupid's bow. And then finally for lips, I'm taking the Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade, is there a shade? Oh yeah, 50 Nude Thrill. I'm hoping this colour matches the eyeshadow look okay. Let's find out. It smells amazing. The colour's probably not that great, but it smells really good. I mean, it looks more nude in the camera, but in the real life it's actually quite pink. It smells like chocolate, you know, the crispy M&Ms. That's good. That's really, I could like eat this right now. I'm not going to, but I could. It is a little bit too bright. It doesn't look it on the camera, but it is quite pink. I don't know if you can see up close. Yeah. Great. Just great. Maybe if we ombre it with something. Hold on. I would just go in with my Tarte lip paint in the shade Bestie, but I always do. So I'm going to take the Velvet Lip Lacure by MUA Luxe. Has the shade Harmony. And there we go. It's just going to lighten it up a bit. Now it looks less pink. I mean, this shade is way too light for me, but what are you going to do? I'm like choking on makeup right now. But we're going to leave it there for the makeup today. Even though the lips was a bit of a fail, but you know. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.